Put that bench at a 45-degree angle. You could put this up if you like, if you're gonna put your knees on the bench. And if they're gonna go on the floor, you just put them on the floor. Go ahead and lay the dumbbells right there, lie down. Now I want your neck to clear that bench. So you go upward a little bit where you're nice and comfortable, everything's lined. Grab the dumbbells, turn your hands. Now, I want those hands lined up with your shoulders. Make sure they're forward and they're not back here. Got to be lined up with the shoulders. Elbows slightly bent, wrists are straight, neck is nice and straight, feet are planted strong. Now, you're going to come up as much as you can, leading with the elbow. And the elbow needs to be pointed upward. So come up. See how his elbow's pointed upward? Pressure's going right in that rear delt. Now go down right before the dumbbells touch each other and come right back up. Wrists are straight, and when he comes up, look, his hands aren't coming back here. The dumbbells are even lined up with his shoulder. That's how we're getting that solid hit in the rear delts. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up, and enjoy that muscle.